Yo, what's up, my wonderful Joey Plus? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad to have you guys back. So anyways, thank you for watching all my videos. And today, I am in here in my wonderful college campus, Butte College. And today, we're going to get, what we're going to do, I don't know, but here's, and enjoy this skit with my dear friends from Butte College.
Yeah.
Hey man, did you finish your homework?
Oh, yes, a long time ago. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh,
I was
yeah. I know, I was staying up
stressing
until
out so
midnight.
much about that.
Yeah, man.
I did it like weeks ago, though. I've been doing it for so long. I'm so
Dang.
prepared for this class.
Oh, me too, man. It's gonna be awesome. I stayed up like around midnight, and I was watching the class like all night long. And I
Yeah.
totally forgot about my homework.
I can't see how anything is going to go wrong. I've planned for this perfectly.
I know.
So long as...
Oh, look at this.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Gotta go!
What the But I'm gonna be late for class. Jeez. Oh, come on, hurry up, you stupid elevator. Okay, since I'm gonna be so late to class, I'm gonna just...
No, just like a shot of you waiting patiently.
Man, why am I so late to class? I am so stupid. Like, seriously. Oh, finally, now we're in the second floor. Jeez. Oh, finally, now the elevator opens. Turn it!
No, this is perfect. This is perfect because now he's going downstairs. All right, so now we're going to meet him downstairs.
It's not focused.
It is not
though.
focused.
No, it would have been so good if that guy didn't have a camera.
I know, right? Really proud of him. I'm super annoyed.
Where's Max? Man, he always late. I don't know why. He's always late. Jeez. He is going to the wrong class. This is the right class. Am I right, people? Hey guys, that's the whole video. We were doing a skit of why you don't want to be late in college class. So if you like this video, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, and of course, hit the bell notification so you can join my Joey Pro fam. So until next time, don't forget to be a pro, a J-Way pro.